Philip Emeagwali, being a very creative thinker, thought of something. Okay. Dibias that Igbo Afa, you understand this one better. I hope you know that I said by law of inclusivity, it means that A, B is equals to BA. Is that not it? Law of association. A of AB is equals to BA. Abi? Because A times B will give us B times what? Times A. Is it not? That is why if I tell you that Aka Ose is equals to Ose Aka. I don't know if you get me. Right? Mind you, when I told you that Ora Obala, Ora, another alpha word, Ora, right? Plus Obala. Is it supposed to be the same thing as Obala? Obalora. You get it now? So the computer, which is the alpha, the supercomputer, which is the alpha, already know that when you read it from left to right, you can read Orobala. Orobala go ekwensu. You can also read it from right to left. Obalora. Do you get my point now? Akose, Osaka, Agali Ululu, Ululu Agali, Etodi, Odiete, Akobala, Obalako, Etobi, Ubio Ete, Okalete, Etokala, Okali Ijite, Ijito Okala. Do you get my point now? So, by the principle of A times B, AB is equals to BA, we can get our variables. Now, this is what Philip Emeagwali did. Philip Emeagwali now said, this is the binary, right? This is the 4 bits. How can I arrange this 4 bits to make this Dibia? Watch me now. Watch me now. One Dibia comes to your house with only this one. He's working on 16-bit. 16-bit information, right? Sometimes if I want to do alpha, I will bring this thing. You see 4 like this now. Another 4 like this. Mwanka. I don't want to use 16-bit information. I want to increase my processor speed to what? 32-bit. 16 plus what? 16.